Hey guys, it's me, and before I really get into the video, to like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to become part of my Unicorn Sparkle Squad. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing my 2017 slime collection. In case you don't know what that is, it is where basically I show you all of my slimes from that year. Basically, it is months into 2018, but I made all of these slimes in 2017. Yeah, 2017. So basically, it is my 2017 squishy slime collection. And I do not have very many slimes because my parents hate slime, and I am lucky to have this many slimes. So yeah, let's start. We'll go smallest to biggest. It's definitely the smallest slime in my collection. It is in a gigantic container, but this was the only container I had. So yeah, let's take it out. A tiny bit of the foam beads do fall out, but like I find that kind of normal lately. But yeah. I call it gold digger slime. But obviously it's a nice like rose gold color, and I really like it. I do sometimes squish my slimes like a squishy, so that's this part of the segment. Okay, that scared me half to death. So guys, I was sitting here filming my video, right there. And then out of nowhere, a storm literally thundered. It's like the storm stopped completely, and it just went boom. And all of the dogs got so scared. Like, he started barking. Murphy ran to the door. That was so scary, and I'm really sorry about my scaredness, because I was like, what is going on? I thought something terrible had happened, because I thought someone like fell and hurt themselves and made a humongous like drop, kind of. I don't know. I'm sorry. But yeah, here's this one. I'm gonna squish it like a squishy because honestly, it makes the exact same noise as it does for squishy, except slime's. As you can tell, it is super rising. I'm joking. Okay, so that is this slime, and it is a little overactivated because, are you ready? It doesn't even stick to the bottom. It can just bounce. It can kind of just bounce and go everywhere it wants. So yeah, next slime. It's again in a gigantic container, and it is super small. But yeah. This one's like my worst slime. This is the worst slime in my collection that I think. And by the way, comment down below what your favorite slime is at the end of the video. So this slime is super overactivated. And it's ugly. What happened was, it was a plain white slime that I really liked. It was a butter slime too. And then what happened to it was I had green nail polish on when I was playing with it, and then I think nail polish like did something to the slime, or it just dried out over time, but it turned to this ugly color. And yeah, I can't even play with this, so we'll just squish it like a squishy. It's like hard as a rock, and it like bounces, like see, it bounces. But yeah, I like my earrings. They're little dice. I like them. Next slime, which is again a little bigger, going smallest to biggest. By the way, I will be including some putties and one putty in the slime just because I really like that putty. So here is it, the slime. I can't stretch it. This slime is a really good slime, except all of these foam beads fall out, and I filmed this video 4 times before this, but none of it worked out. And the one right before this, I had to pick up all of the foam beads, and then you guys watched me pick up all of the foam beads. So I'm honestly not gonna really take it out of the container because all of the foam beads do fall out. But it is a really stretchy slime. It's really pokey. It's really squishy, really nice. I honestly really like this slime, except all of the foam beads do fall out. So this slime is really pretty too. I call this Unicorn Cereal. So yeah, next slime, actually, I'm going to is this one. I really like this one. But yeah, let's open it up. Oh my god, I forgot that I was fixing this yesterday, and I just spilled a whole bunch of watery glue on my mom's shirt. So I'm wearing my mom's shirt right now, see? Oh my god. Oh my god. Hopefully that goes away. But yeah, I guess there was water in this container that I did not know about. But yeah. I did not know there was water in this container, but yeah. Because that water, it is pretty sticky. Like really sticky. But it's still a pretty nice slime. Let's make it Insta-Swirl. Okay, I could have done much better. You hear that? By the way, like I said before, I will be showing you just one putty in this because I count putties as slime. Well, putties and slime are a lot different, but I have one putty, and of course I'm never gonna do a video just on a putty. So I wanted to include it in this video, but remember that I do not count it as a slime. My brother thinks putty and slime are exactly the same. I have to tell him constantly that that's not true. But yeah. And hopefully this dries like regular. Otherwise I might be in a little bit of trouble. But yeah. I put it back in the container and I forgot there's still water in it, but yeah. Okay, I like every slime. I'm going to show you how slimy it is. Oops. How slimy it is, and how if it was a squishy, how squishy. Yeah, I'll grab a smaller section so it is easier to squish. You hear that? So nice. But yeah, that's that one. I really like this one. Next one is, I'm pretty sure this one's a little bigger than this one. But yeah. My friend actually made both of these. I bought this slime, but then I fixed it because I melted and then I accidentally overactivated. But it has this really strange texture. Like, it's not really stretchy. It's pretty stretchy, but it's not super stretchy. But then whenever you squeeze it, it seems super overactivated. So it's not super overactivated. It's just a little, and then it's super good, but then when you squeeze it, it turns into a really bad slime. But then when you lay it on the ground and you put your hand on it, it just has this weirdest texture. Like if I would do this, it has this weirdest texture. Not like normal slime, but yeah, let's poke it for you. So it's not very good for the noises, but it's really nice. And like, I love this texture, except this is so strange. But like, it's got this amazing / weird texture that I cannot explain, but yeah. Here we go. So yeah, that's slime that squeezes it. Again, I'll take a smaller piece of the slime. Okay, that was a good one, I will say. That's this one. Now I'll show you the putty. Actually, I'll do the putty last. Okay, this is my last slime. I really like this slime. And yeah. Whoa. Like sometimes the slime is amazing and then it turns out super sticky. So then I add the tiniest amount of activator and then I don't play with it for like a day and then it's super overactivated.
Caitlin,
So yeah. Yeah?
I need to know what you want for lunches for school.
The exact same as last year.
Peanut butter and jelly, a string cheese, some chips, and a dessert.
And a small snack like usual. Wait, what's for lunch? Well, I want to know. Because I want it to be like hot dog.
You want it to be a hot dog?
Like if it is. Can you check?
Oh, you mean at school?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about today.
But yeah. It's really nice. Sorry about background noise. But yeah. But yeah, this is this one. Really nice. Now I'm going to show you the putty, which is, I keep in another big container, just in case, like, because for me it's really hard to sometimes shut this container. Okay, so what happened was, this putty is super hard, but I wanted it to be a little bit softer, so I added water. But then this happened. Oh my god. It's all over my legs. But let's still take it out. It's really stretchy. Murphy. And really nice. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get part of my Unicorn Sparkle Squad. So yeah. See you later, unicorns.